This is Chaz Porter with FSR here at InfoComm 2026, showing off our brand new cable pilot under table. In 26, we reduced the size of our original retractors by about 37%, making it far more compact and easier to install under the table. The cable pilot has some accessories that go with it, like this edge pilot right here that allows you to mount underneath the table and give the cable direction as the cable exits the retractor. Here we have it installed underneath the table, and the beauty of the new cable pilot is its ability to pull in any direction, any angle. We can pull the cable in and out without any snags or any chafing on the cable. For information about this product or any other FSR product, please visit our website at www.fsrinc.com.